Do you know that feeling when you open the fridge and see only a few eggs, some sausages and a lonely onion, and you think, what can I cook with this? Today we are making comforting brunch shakshuka. It's easy and incredibly delicious. Quick tip, don't use bare cast iron for very acidic dishes like this. The tomatoes can slowly damage the seasoning and give your food a metallic taste. Instead, use a stainless steel or non-stick pan. For this shakshuka, I am using a non-stick pan. Drizzle oil into a hot pan. Add 1 diced medium onion. When the onion turns soft and translucent, add 2 sausages cut into bite-sized pieces. We want them to fry, get a little golden and to release their fat into the onions. You will see the onion starting to pick up a light red color and the pan will smell beautifully smoky and meaty. Next, add 1 red bell pepper, sliced or diced as you like. Give it a quick fry just until it starts to soften. Now add 2 crushed garlic cloves. Stir for about 30 seconds until you can smell the garlic. That's perfect. Time for the spices. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of cumin for an earthy flavor. Then add 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Mix everything together, but don't fry the spices for too long. If they burn, they become bitter and we don't want that. After about a minute, pour in 2 cans of chopped tomatoes. If you enjoy these little adventures, subscribe and join our cozy community. Stir well, then add a handful of chopped fresh parsley. Pour in a little water, just enough to loosen the sauce so it can simmer and everything can soften nicely. Taste and season with salt and pepper. Adjust it to your liking. This is your adventure on the plate. Let this cook gently until the vegetables are tender and the sauce thickens. You want a rich, slightly chunky sauce, not a watery one. When the sauce looks thick and glossy, make small nests with a spoon. And add your eggs. I am using 5 medium eggs. Do you like your shakshuka eggs runny or well cooked? Tell me in the comments, I am really curious. Cover the pan with a lid and cook until the yolks are done just how you like them. You can gently tap a yolk to check. Soft and wobbly means runny, more firm means cooked through. I like my eggs in shakshuka a bit more cooked, not runny. If you prefer runny yolks, cook for about 4 to 5 minutes after adding the eggs. When the eggs are ready, add a little fresh ground pepper on top. Then crumble over some feta cheese or any similar cheese you enjoy. Finish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley for color and a burst of freshness. And that's our easy one-pan shakshuka. Simple ingredients turned into a full adventure on your plate. Serve it straight from the pan. Eat with a spoon or even better, with warm naan bread to scoop up all the sauce. You will find my naan bread recipe in the description below the video. If this cozy shakshuka make your cooking day a little brighter, please give this video a like and share it with your friends. For the perfect side, don't forget to watch the naan bread recipe linked in the description. Cook something delicious today and I will see you in the next culinary adventure.